Sigma Beta Chi Field is getting an upgrade. Less than a year after a new state-of-the-art scoreboard was added, workers have begun the process of installing a brand new playing surface to the facility, which opened nearly 10 years ago. We are all very excited about the recent investment into Sigma Beta Chi Field, which will enhance the field of play and the student-athlete's athletic experience, said Executive Director of Athletics Robert Coleman. Sigma Beta Chi Field is a premier destination for college soccer along with local youth camps.
Oh my God.
Home to Rattler soccer since October 2013, Sigma Beta Chi Field has played host to a number of high-profile games, including last year's NCAA men's soccer tournament. Over the past 5 years, the success of both our men's and women's soccer programs has been outstanding, Coleman added. These upgrades will further enhance the profile and prestige of San Antonio soccer, enhance the game day experience, and allow our athletic programs to continue recruiting at the highest levels.